Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Kavya. So friend, today right now I am out of my house and this dog is chasing us. So here my sisters and I were roaming. I are roaming here. So I thought of creating vlog video. So let's see how it goes. This is my first vlog video. So I don't know how to make, but yeah, I'm trying to make better. So we are roaming, and I'm they are talking, but I am doing my speaking practice. I don't escape even single minute. Whenever I get chance, so definitely I do my practice. So when I came here, so I remember my childhood day when I was children. I mean, when I was a child. So come. We used to come. I mean, daily for bicycle riding. So my friend and I. So I was remembering this memory, and I will not forget this. So we don't get time now. We don't get time. We are busy um, in our life. I mean, some of my friends they got married, and I I'm doing work. I mean, I do work, and my couple of friends they do work and they live in city. So that's why we don't get time. So I was remembering this, and now I have seen so many people. I mean, children. I'm talking about children. When they eat food or whenever they do something, they don't eat even single bite without a mobile phone. So compared to this generation, we our generation was, I mean, best, I think, because when I was child, there were no mobile phones. I mean, I got my first mobile phone um, at the age of 18. So yeah, we spended our childhood day very well. I mean, it was best. So right now I am in school where I studied. So I used to come earlier, but now I don't come because I am. So whenever my sisters come, then definitely I come with them. I don't come alone. So yeah, it's almost 6:30, and weather is cloudy today, and it's windy. You can feel it. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I think I don't know how to make. So So here I'll tell you how I do my English speaking practice. So friend, whenever I go outside, then I whenever I see a new, I mean whenever I see something, then give them new I give them name in English and make sentences. For example, you can see behind me this is a healthcare center, and beside this there is a school, and these this is a ground. So and I mean I make sentences, and whenever I mean when let's suppose if there is a cow and buffaloes, then definitely I make sentences. I make hypothetical sentences in English. I mean story in English, like there is a cow, and they are eating grass, and they are going, and those are buffaloes. So like this I do my English speaking practice. So if you are wondering that don't have partner, how to speak English alone, then definitely you can make hypothetical story, make hypothetical मीन सेंटेंसेस कुछ भी बोल देना है, आई मीन इंग्लिश में. सो दैट्स हाउ यू कैन practice, right? So I am making video outside, and there are so many people who are watching me, and it doesn't affect me because um, I have enough confidence to speak, right, outside. Yeah, earlier I was shy, but now I am not shy. That's why I can speak as much as I want outside. So making video at home is easy, but making video outside, it's tough because some people see, then we feel shy, we feel awkward. So yeah, it's little hard, but it doesn't affect me because I'm not doing wrong thing. I'm just doing my practice, right? So so finally we are at home. So we enjoyed a lot. I enjoyed a lot. I played game with the kids. So yeah, it was nice day, and so right now we are going to make food. So thanks for watching my video. I'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Keep learning. Keep practicing.